To activate your Robinhood card, start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. From the bottom of the screen, select the card option, which will take you to a screen displaying all of your Robinhood cards. Scroll down and choose the card you want to activate. Once you've selected your card, you'll see an option that asks if you've received it. Click on this, and a window will pop up with an option to confirm. Select this option, and a new screen will appear. Click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. Then enter your card details, including the expiration date. Next, set a new PIN for your card. After entering your PIN, you'll be given the option to enable location protection. You can choose to enable it or skip this step. Once you've completed these steps, your card will be activated.